Nothing stays the same. The wind shifts, water carves stone, even mountains, strong as they seem, move. Just a fraction of an inch each year, but still they move. This little tree, it moves too. Not in space, but in time, and sometimes it needs our help. Today we're giving it a new home, not because we want to, but because we must. Growth doesn't stop because something can't grow. It stops when there's no room left to grow. It's been here for years. It knows its space, but it can't grow here anymore. Roots tangled into knots, trapped by their own past. A tree needs to breathe just like us. A tired soil holds too much water or none at all. Balance is lost, so we change, not to let go, but to move forward. In bonsai, like in life, every change begins with preparation. A sharp blade makes a clean cut, a dull one makes a wound. The perfect mix, 1 part akadama for nutrient exchange, pumice to hold moisture, and lava to hold oxygen. Moss is like a soft memory, holding on to the past, protecting what's beneath, but sometimes too much protection can suffocate. We clear away what no longer serves, not in a rush, not in force, just enough to let the roots feel the world again. Roots, like stories, twist and tangle over time. Some connect, some trap each other. Our job is to set them free. Hinoki roots are like whispers, delicate, reaching, always searching. They don't go deep, they spread wide, looking for air, for balance. Too much water and they drown, too little and they wither. Water is balance. Too much and the roots forget how to breathe. Too little and they stop reaching. The trick? Moist, never soggy. Think of a forest after the rain, not a swamp, not a desert, just a life. Hinoki thrives in the light, but not in the fire. Too much sun and soft green turns dry and brittle. Too little and it fades away. Like all things, balance. The forest never freezes to the core, and neither should your bonsai. Cold is fine, but at 5 degrees Celsius or 23 Fahrenheit, the roots begin to suffer. Frozen roots, that's the end of the story. Not every root can stay. Some are too weak. Some take more than they give, the strongest ones will find their way. Growth isn't about holding on, it's about knowing what to keep and what to let go. Every home needs a strong foundation, but even the strongest need anchors. This is the butterfly technique. Simple, firm, unshakable. It doesn't trap, it secures. Before roots, even before stability, there must be breath. This first layer isn't just soil, it's the lungs of the bonsai container. Coarse, open, full of space. This isn't about holding, it's about flow. Air moves, water drains, roots breathe. Now the balance is set, a final layer follows. Not too coarse, not too compact. Like sand settling after a wave, it finds its perfect fit. Not too much force, not too much pressure, let it find its own space. Not too tight, not too loose, just right. Soil isn't just dirt, it's home, it's balance. Akadama holds nutrients like a gentle hand. Pumice gives space to breathe, and lava rock keeps things steady. Together they create a perfect place to grow. Roots need contact, true connection, but hidden spaces, air pockets, they mean instability. This isn't force, this is patience, a gentle touch filling the gaps, giving the roots what they need, support, not suffocation. Now everything is in place. No emptiness, no hesitation, just balance. And now let it breathe. A tree doesn't grow in panic, it grows in stillness. No fertilizer, no stress, just water, light, and time. The most important changes, you don't see them right away, but they're happening. Bonsai teaches patience, balance, and trust. Sometimes you have to let go to grow. Sometimes you have to root yourself in something new. And if you listen closely, it might just teach you something about yourself.